Got it? You know what is ASL? Assessment of speaking and listening skills. Okay. So later on, 20 marks will be given for ASL, and right now I'm going to give you a project either today or tomorrow. I'll give you a project. I'll send it on your group. Take time, take a week's time and complete it and submit the project to me. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to begin with the chapter The Hack Driver. Put the date. Hurry up, write down the date. Written.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So now what happens in this chapter? A young lawyer, he visits a village. Why? Because he had to serve a summon. What is a summon? A call to the court. Okay. And he had to serve the summon on Oliver Lutkins. Uh, and what happens as he arrives in the village, a friendly hack driver takes him round the village in search of Lutkins. They both look for Lutkins. Does the lawyer finally find Lutkins or not? And who is Oliver Lutkins? We are going to come to know through this chapter. Okay, a very interesting chapter it is. So be attentive. After graduating with honors, I became a junior assistant clerk in a magnificent law firm. Now, who is I here? Who is I? The narrator, the lawyer. Okay. So he says that I graduated in honors and then I became a junior assistant clerk in a very magnificent law firm. I was sent not to prepare legal briefs but to serve summons like a chief private detective. Now, after his graduation, he started working as a junior assistant clerk in a law firm. और वो कहता है कि मुझे भेजा जाता था why not to prepare any legal briefs, लेकिन मुझे इस काम के लिए भेजा जाता था to serve summons, okay, to call the people, okay, to give them summons, इसलिए मुझे भेज दिया जाता था. जैसे कोई बड़ा चीफ डिटेक्टिव काम करता है ना, कोई प्राइवेट डिटेक्टिव जिस तरह से काम करता है, सिमिलर वर्क वाज गिवन टू मी. I had to go to dirty and shadowy corners of the city to seek out my victims. वैसे victim normally it is known as prey, शिकार. तो अब इसके शिकार कौन से होते थे? उन आदमियों के सर्च में, okay, to look for those men or those people whom he had to give summon, okay, he had to serve summons to them. तो कहते हैं इसलिए मुझे बड़े dirty और shadowy corners of the city I had to visit. I had to seek out, I had to find out those people to whom I have to serve summons. Some of the larger and more self-confident ones even beat me up. Now see, what was his condition? He says that whenever I used to go to serve summons on them, he says that some people, who are very much confident, okay, instead of taking the summon, they used to beat me. I hated this unpleasant work and the side of city life it revealed to me. अब वो कहता है ये जो बड़ा अनप्लेजेंट सा काम था, आई डिड नॉट लाइक इट. क्यों? क्योंकि जब मैं सर्व करने जाता था समन, मेनी टाइम्स आई वाज बीटन अप बाय द पीपल, ओके, बाय द मैन और बाय द पर्सन whom I serve summons. तो वो कहता है कि मुझे ये अनप्लेजेंट वर्क, आई जस्ट डिड नॉट लाइक इट, and the side of city life, okay, and the city life that it revealed to me, it showed to me, I just hated all this. I even considered fleeing to my hometown where I could have been a real lawyer right away. And sometimes he even thought that it would be better that I should run away to my hometown. And there, surely I would not work as a private chief detective or as a person who's serving summons, but instead, there I would become a very good lawyer, a real lawyer. without going through this unpleasant training period. Okay. And instead of going through this dirty training that was given to him, okay, what training? To serve the summons. He was working in a law firm, and there he was not given any work of legal briefs or something like that, right? Instead, he was asked to go to the people, okay, to whom he was asked to give summons, to serve summons. And many times, this poor chap, he was beaten by the people whom he served summons. So he says, I did not like this period. This was a dirty training period, very unpleasant one for him. And many times he thought of running away to his hometown where he could become a real lawyer. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Everybody followed or not? The first para?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So now he comes to the, yes, main story, and he says, so I rejoiced one day when they sent me out 40 miles in the country to a town called New Million. Okay, underline it, New Million. Underline it. Underlined. कहता है एक दिन तो मुझे बड़ी खुशी हुई
Yes,
when
ma'am.
I was asked to go out, है ना, 40 miles away from the city, और मुझे न्यू मिलियन भेजा गया to serve someone on a man called Oliver Lutkins. Okay, and I had to give someone to a man whose name was Oliver Lutkins. We needed this man as a witness in a law case, and he had ignored all our letters. अब कहते हैं I just had to call him. Why? Because we needed him in an लॉ केस, कोई लॉ केस में है ना, उसके गवाह की, उसके प्रूफ की जरूरत थी. एंड sorry, and many times he was called, but every time he ignored. Clear? Now when I go to New Million, my eager expectations of a sweet and simple country village were severely disappointed. अब वो कहता है जब मैं न्यू मिलियन गया तो earlier I expected कि बड़ी प्यारी सी sweet and simple country village होगा, लेकिन when I visited there I was absolutely disappointed. Okay, its streets were rivers of mud with rows of wooden shops, either painted a sour brown or bare of any paint at all. अब उसने तो imagine करा था कि he is going to visit a beautiful countryside, a beautiful village, लेकिन वो कहता है कि when I visited, the reverse it happened. Okay, and बहुत disappoint हुआ when he visited New Million. Why? क्योंकि उसकी जो streets थी, they were all dirty, they were rivers of mud. Rivers of mud, समझ गए? Full of mud, जैसे कीचड़ की जगह जगह कीचड़ पड़ा हो, कीचड़ की नदियां टाइप होती है ना. Okay, they all were rivers of mud, the streets were, and there were wooden shops, rows of wooden shops were there, and those wooden shops, either they were painted a sour brown color. Okay, बड़ा गंदा सा faded सा brown color paint करा हुआ था, और the shops, wooden shops, did not have any paint. The only agreeable sight about the place was the delivery man at the station. Now he says, the only agreeable sight, okay, the sight that gave me some sort of happiness, वो क्या थी कि the delivery man whom he meets at the station. Yes, he was about 40, underline, red-faced, cheerful and thick about the middle. Middle, you got it? जहाँ से tummy अमी होगा, he might have been thick. तो कहता है ये जो डिलीवरी मैन था, डिलीवरी मैन मीन्स कैरेज मैन, ओके, जो गाड़ीवान था, he was the only person on. When I met him, I became somewhat very pleasant, somewhat happy. Otherwise, the lawyer, he was absolutely disappointed. So he says, beta, ki he was about 40 years of age. He was red-faced, he was cheerful, and he was somewhat fat. His working clothes were dirty and well-worn, and he had a friendly manner. Okay. और उसके जो clothes थे that he was wearing, they were dirty and well worn. Well worn means they were somewhat torn. Okay, फटे पुराने, so old and torn clothes he was wearing, and he had a very friendly manner. Means he was very friendly. You felt at once that he liked people, and उसको देख के ये लगता था कि he really liked people. He wanted to talk to them, and he was very friendly with the people. Okay, so many times it happens ki when we meet some of the strangers, kuch to real strangers appear hote hain, okay? They always maintain a distance, they always keep a distance. But many times it so happens ki when we meet somebody, they become very much friendly to us, right? Similar was this man whom he meets at the station. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I told him to find a man named Oliver Lutkins. Okay. अब वो कहता है राइटर नरेटर लॉयर when he meets this man कि I have come here because I want to find a man whose name is Oliver Lutkins. I saw him around here about an hour ago. Hard fellow to catch though, always up to something or other. Now that cabman, okay, that person whom he meets at the station, वो कहता है, I saw him around here about an hour ago. Only an hour ago I saw Oliver Lutkins here. Hard fellow to catch though. Okay, and it's very difficult to catch Oliver Lutkins. Always up to something or the other. He is always busy in something or the other. समझ में आया? Who says? This cabman, okay, this hack driver whom he meets at the station, okay, जो गाड़ीवान जिससे मिलता है, तो जैसे ही उसको लॉयर कहता है कि I have come here, you know, yes, I have come here to find Oliver Lutkins, तो कहता है he was here an hour ago, लगभग 1 घंटे पहले he was here, and it's very difficult to catch that man, he's always up to something, he's always busy in something or the other. He's probably trying to start up a poker game in the back of Fritz shop. I'll tell you, boy, is there any hurry about locating Lutkins? Okay. अब वो कहता है कि शायद he is trying to start up a poker game, वो शुरू करने वाला है in the back of Fritz shop. Okay. Fritz is a name of a person, तो कहता है कि उसकी दुकान के पीछे he is going to begin a poker game, and then he says, is there any hurry about locating Lutkins? Now I'll tell you, boy. Okay, ये कौन कहता है? The hack driver कहता है कि मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि does he know that you are looking for him? Is there any hurry that you want to just locate that man, that person? कोई जल्दी है? इतनी जल्दी क्या है? Yes, the lawyer says, I want to catch the afternoon train back to the city. When this hack driver puts a question to the lawyer, ki, yes, are you in hurry to catch that man? Are you in hurry to find that man? So what reply is given by the lawyer? He says, yes, I want to catch the afternoon train back to the city. Yes, I want to take the train. Why? Because I will be returning to the city in the afternoon. And I was very important and secret about it. I'll tell you what, I have got a hack. I'll get it out and we can drive around together and find Lutkins. अब lawyer कहता है I was very important and secret about it. Means I thought I just don't want. It means he was not interested in revealing the secret. तो वो हैक ड्राइवर कहता है कि ओके फाइन देन आई हैव गॉट अ हैक आई एम हैविंग अ हैक मतलब वही गाड़ी आ रही है I'll get it out and then we can drive around together and find Lutkins. Okay, I'll take you all around the village and surely you can find Lutkins. I know most of the places he hangs out. और वो हैक ड्राइवर ये भी कहता है कि I know many of the places, okay, where we can find him. Got it, beta? Following?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छे से आ रहा है ना समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. Only still few are there who says yes. Others, again, damn. They never respond, they never reply. I don't know whether they understand or not. After so many days joining the class, nobody even thought of wishing the teachers. You never think. I don't know when you are going to learn all these etiquettes with such grown-up children. Just joining the class, these two words, they don't come out from your mouth. Why? Because you people are not in the practice of speaking those words. What I said, start speaking those words, start wishing your parents and your grandparents and your elders at home. Surely you will develop some kind of respect, some kind of regards for others also, for teachers also when you meet them, when you see them. Okay, now come to the next para. He was so open and friendly that I glowed with the warmth of his affection. Now, this hack driver, he was very open, means he was not reserved at all, and he was very friendly. Okay. I glowed means the lawyer, he became very happy with the warmth. Okay. With the warmth means the strong relations, the strong emotions, sorry, that he was showing. Okay. He was very affectionate with this lawyer. So lawyer कहते मैं बहुत खुश हो गया एकदम. I knew, of course, that he wanted the business, but his kindness was real. और मैं ये भी जानता था कि he wanted the business means he wanted somebody to be in his card so that he might earn some money. Okay? कि चाहता था कि भाई कोई उसके हैक में बैठे जिससे वो पैसा कमा ले, वो मैं जानता था. ओके, बट हिज काइंडनेस वाज रियल. लेकिन जो वो काइंडनेस दिखा रहा था, दैट वाज वेरी जेन्युइन, दैट वाज वेरी रियल. ओके, कोई फेक काइंडनेस नहीं थी. I was glad the fair money would go to this good fellow. And lawyer, he thinks कि चलो I would have paid to some other hack driver who wouldn't have helped me so much and who wouldn't have been friendly with me so much. Okay, friendly, affectionate. तो वो बड़ा खुश था lawyer कि thank God. Okay, I'm going to pay the money. Okay, the fare जो भी होगा उस हैक का, उस गाड़ी का, कम से कम इस अच्छे आदमी के पास तो जाएगा. I managed to bargain down to $2 an hour. Okay, and then he says कि मैंने bargaining कर ली कि per hour. Okay, उसके I'm going to pay you $2, and then he brought from his house nearby a sort of large black box on wheels. और फिर वो अपने घर गया और वहां से एक बहुत बड़ा सा okay पहियों पर रखा मीन्स व्हील पर रखा हुआ एक बड़ा सा ब्लैक बॉक्स लेकर आया. Or black box, you got it. It was a carriage, in which the people sit. Buggy जो होती है ना, वो उसके लिए कह रहा है. And then when he came back, he says, well, young man, here's the carriage. And his white smile made me into an old friend. और आके कहता है कि yes, young man, I've got this carriage. Carriage, you got it? Okay. Black box क्या था? उसमें seats लगी हुई थी, and it was a carriage that was placed on the wheels. तो वो कहता है कि yes, I got the carriage, and he passed a very wide smile. और इसको ये लगा कि as if I'm his old friend. These villagers are so ready to help a stranger. He had already made it his own task to find Oliver Lutkin for me. और lawyer ये सोचता है कि these villagers, they are so simple, they are so humble, they are so kind that they are always ready to help anybody. And even this villager, he's ready to help me, and he had made as if it is his own task and as if it is his own responsibility to find Oliver Lutkins. समझ गए? और इस हैक ड्राइवर ने भी है ना, ऐसा ही कुछ करा है, इज रेडी टू हेल्प द लॉयर, और ऐसा लग रहा है एज इफ कि उसकी खुद की भी जिम्मेदारी है ओलिवर रिचकिंस को फाइंड आउट करने की। अंडरस्टूड बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we'll end it up here. Okay, fine. And you better revise it. And today I'm going to send you the project, okay, on your WhatsApp group. Go through it and try to do it, complete it within a week. Remember, A4 size white sheets should be taken, right? And black pen should be used on it. Clear? A4 size. Okay,
Ma'am,
later
full
on
scale
those projects,
paper.
plain paper beta, and later on when the schools will reopen, okay, you will submit those projects. Meanwhile, you are going to send it to me. Either we'll just decide how to send those projects, okay, या तो PDF बना के या जो भी होगा, I'll just let you know afterwards. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta.
Ma'am, total black pens used.
Total? Ah,
Ma'am, total
absolutely,
black pen.
beta. Do not use any glitter pen. Do not use any colored pens. Okay. It would look very neat and tidy on the white sheets if you are going to use black pens. Ball pens. Okay, ball pen, it would be better. Or gel pen, if you want to, you can use it. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Thank
Okay,
you, ma'am.
bye. Bye, beta. God bless you all.